Okay, little demo here. Project I did for the boat. This is a little solar panel I got on Amazon. I'll put a link to it. It's like 20 bucks or something like that. Found a piece of old redwood in the scrap pile and measured up where the hole locations were on the back frame of this thing. There's all the stainless steel hardware. Um, Given that we're going to be using stainless steel and an aluminum frame, we have to worry about corrosion. So I use a product called Tough Gel and coat anytime you have these dissimilar metals in contact. We coat them. There you can see the little hole in the back of the aluminum. Not the best design, very difficult to mount. So there's the Tough Gel. You coat anytime you have these dissimilar metals touching, and it prevents corrosion. Stuff is very expensive, but it does work. And there you see we're running a small fastener up through the aluminum with a washer, and then we're holding it in place with vice grips, and then I'm running a nylock, stainless steel nylock nut down to fasten that in place like a post. And there you have it right there. And then we're going to run that post through the wood and have another nylock nut that holds it in place. So here we're drilling recesses for the wood so that everything mates up nicely. And that's what the back will look like when it's completed. And we're going to mount this on the boat with a ram mount. There's the ram ball. We ran fasteners through the wood for that. And the next picture here, we're starting the finishing process. We're using Czar Ultra Poly. It's oil-based poly for exterior use. And we stir it up real good. We pour a little into a secondary container. We protect the leftovers with Bloxygen. With your rags and stuff, put them in a airtight container like this. I usually throw about a half a gallon of water in there as well. And there's the first coat. And we're off and running with the varnish. Thanks.